Hello, welcome to my channel. All you want to know about soft skills at the workplace, and more. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Hope you will appreciate this video and that you will share the video with friends. There are many ways to greet professional colleagues, and the appropriate greeting may depend on the context and the relationship you have with the person. Here are a few options. Good morning/afternoon/evening, followed by the person's name. This is a formal and polite greeting that is appropriate for most professional settings. This greeting is a good choice if you are not sure what is the appropriate level of formality for the situation. It is also a good option if you are meeting someone for the first time or if you are interacting with a senior colleague or client. To use this greeting, simply say good morning/afternoon/evening, followed by the person's name. For example, good morning, John. It is important to use the appropriate time of day for the greeting, so be sure to check the clock or your phone to ensure you are using the correct greeting. Using this greeting shows that you are respectful and professional, and it is a good way to set the tone for a productive and positive interaction. 2. Hello, followed by the person's name. This is a more casual greeting that is appropriate for more relaxed settings or for colleagues you are more familiar with. Hello, followed by the person's name. This greeting is a good choice if you have a good working relationship with the person and you feel comfortable being a bit more informal. To use this greeting, simply say hello, followed by the person's name. For example, hello, Jane. This greeting is less formal than good morning/afternoon/evening, so it is a good choice for situations where a more formal greeting might feel awkward or out of place. Using this greeting shows that you are friendly and approachable, and it is a good way to build rapport with colleagues you are more familiar with. However, it is important to use this greeting appropriately and to be mindful of the level of formality that is appropriate for the situation. 3. Hi, followed by the person's name. This is a casual greeting that is appropriate for informal settings or for colleagues you are very familiar with. This greeting is the most casual of the options I mentioned, so it is a good choice for situations where you want to be especially friendly and approachable. To use this greeting, simply say hi, followed by the person's name. For example, hi, Sarah. This greeting is less formal than hello and good morning/afternoon/evening, so it is a good choice for situations where you want to convey a sense of informality and friendliness. Using this greeting shows that you are approachable and easy to talk to, and it is a good way to build rapport with colleagues you are very familiar with. However, it is important to use this greeting appropriately and to be mindful of the level of formality that is appropriate for the situation. 4. Hugs? Really? In professional settings, hugging may not always be appropriate, as it can be seen as a form of physical affection that is not typically part of a business relationship. It is generally a good idea to avoid hugging colleagues, clients, or other professional contacts unless you are sure that the person is comfortable with it. If you do want to show physical affection in a professional setting, there are other options that may be more appropriate. For example, you can offer a handshake, a wave, or a verbal greeting such as hello or nice to meet you. It is also important to consider cultural norms and expectations when it comes to physical affection in professional settings. In some cultures, hugging may be more common and acceptable in professional settings, while in other cultures it may be less common or even considered inappropriate. Overall, it is always a good idea to be mindful of personal boundaries and to respect the other person's wishes when it comes to physical affection, especially in professional settings. Regardless of which greeting you choose, it is always important to be respectful and professional when interacting with colleagues. It is also a good idea to use body language, such as a smile and eye contact, to show that you are happy to see the person. Thanks for watching.